If you've ever tried automating your business, you probably know how messy it can get. You've got one tool for forms, another for workflows, something else for emails, and somehow you're still stuck connecting everything together. So, I checked out a tool called TinyCommand, and it's trying to fix exactly that. The main idea is simple. Instead of using 5 different tools and trying to connect them, this platform puts everything in one place. You can build forms, manage data, automate workflows, send emails, and even run AI agents, all inside the same system. What makes it interesting is how you actually build things. You don't always have to set everything up manually. You can just describe what you want in plain English, and the system creates the workflow for you. So instead of dragging and connecting a bunch of steps, you can just say something like capture leads and send follow-up emails, and it builds a starting version for you. Of course, you can still go in and customize everything. There's a visual builder where you can adjust steps, add conditions, and control how your automation works. So it gives you both options, quick setup or detailed control. Another thing I liked is how everything is connected by default. Your forms, your database, your workflows, and your emails are all part of the same system. So you're not constantly syncing data between tools or worrying about something breaking in between. It also has built-in AI agents that can do things like qualify leads, enrich data, or even send personalized messages. So it's not just automation, it's actually doing some of the thinking for you as well. Now, to be fair, this isn't a super beginner-friendly tool. There's a lot going on, and if you've never worked with automation platforms before, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. And even though the AI helps, you still need to understand what you're trying to build. Otherwise, you might end up with workflows that don't really make sense. But if you're someone who's already using tools like Zapier, Make, or Airtable, this starts to feel really powerful, because instead of connecting everything, you're just building inside one system. So overall, TinyCommand feels like a tool that's trying to replace your entire automation stack. It's not the simplest option out there, but if you want to save time, reduce complexity, and have everything working together in one place, this is definitely something worth checking out.